I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change the battery on your Polo. Let's get into it. The bonnet release lever is located in the driver's footwell area. Then push the safety latch upwards to release the bonnet. Viewed from the front, the battery is located on the right hand side. Now we can remove the negative terminal first. You'll need a 10mm socket for this. The junction box will be removed with the positive terminal, so loosen the terminal nut first. Unhook these two clips with your fingers or a screwdriver and lift the junction box with the terminal off the battery. Next we'll remove the retaining bracket at the bottom with a 13mm socket and extension. We can now remove the old battery and install the new one. Make sure to line up the positive to the left. Then once it's in the battery tray, just push it into the retaining lip. We can now install the retaining bracket. Make sure to line up the notch with one of the grooves in the battery base plate. Starting on the positive side, push the terminal over first and then clip in the junction box before tightening the nut. It's always a good idea to push the terminal down as far as possible. We use a screwdriver just to open the ends of the terminal while pushing it down. Then lastly, tighten the retaining bracket. Make sure everything is secure and then connect the negative terminal. Do you want to know what's the best battery for your vehicle? Then you need to subscribe and go and watch this one. I'll see you there.